basic concept of a polynomials. In this class, we will continue our exercise 2.2. Question 1. Find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial and verify the relations of zeros and coefficient. We have all the 6 questions. First question is x square minus 2x minus 8. Second question 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Third question 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Fourth question 4u square plus 8u. Fifth question t square minus 15. Now we have to solve all the questions one by one, step by step. Let's start with first question. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between zeros and coefficient of zeros. First, x square minus 2x minus 8. First we have to split the middle term. In middle term we have minus 2x. We can write minus 2x equals to plus 2x minus 4x. So our next step become x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. And we have a formula, sum of zeros equals to coefficient of x upon x square. In first two term we have to take a common. We can take common x. So in bracket we can write x plus 2. From last two terms we can take a common plus 4 minus 4. So in bracket we have x plus 2. Then we have to take a common x plus 2 from both the terms. We can write x minus 4 and x plus 2. Now we have to equate them with equals to 0. Means x minus 4 equals to 0, x plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore we have two values. First value x equals to 4 and x equals to minus 2. Now we have to add the sum of zeros by the formula also and by the normal plus also. So by the adding 4, and we have to verify their relations, we get both the zeros 4 and minus 2, and the sum of zeros is equals to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So we can write 4 minus plus minus 2 is equals to, we get both this, we have written both that value, and we have to write the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x equals to minus 2 upon the coefficient of x square. We have a coefficient of x square equals to 1. 4 plus minus, we are getting 4 minus 2 is equals to, we multiply both the sign, minus minus is equals to plus. Then 4 minus 2, 2 equals to 2. Then we have right value of sum of zeros, 2 equals to 2. Now we have to find the product of zeros. Product of zeros equals to constant term upon coefficient of x square. The product we have to write 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is equals to constant term. Constant term we are having a minus 8 upon coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? We have value 1. Therefore 4 into minus 2, we have to multiply both the terms. We get minus 8 equals to minus 8. The next question, same, we have to find the zeros and verify the relation between. Next question is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So we can write 4s, we can split into two terms. We can write 4s equals to minus 2s minus 2s. In first two term we have to take a common 2s. Therefore in bracket we have 2s minus 1. And from last both terms we have to take a common minus 1. in bracket we remains 2s minus 1. In the both the terms we have a 2s minus 1 common. So 2s minus 1 and another term also 2s minus 1. Then we have to make equals to 0. Both the terms we have to make a 0. Therefore 2s minus 1 equals to 0 and 2s 1 minus equals to 0. Therefore 2s equals to 1. And therefore as we 2 is in multiplication, on another side it will go in division section. Then result is 1 by 2. Similarly 2s minus 1 equals to 0. We get same result, s equals to 2. In same way we have to verify the sum of zeros and the product of zeros. Let's see the sum of zeros. We have to add half plus half is equals to 1. We can write also the coefficient of s upon coefficient of s square. Coefficient of s is minus 4 upon coefficient of s square is 4. Therefore minus minus plus, and 4 by 4 half 4 by 4 equals to 1, half half equals to 1. Therefore we get 1 equals to 1. In similar way we have to find the product of zeros also. Product of zeros means half into half equals to constant term 1, and coefficient of s square means 1 upon 4. We have to 1 upon 4 we have to multiply half into half is equals to 1 by 4. Therefore 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 4. We have to multiply half into half, we get result 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 4. Similarly, third question, 6x square minus 3x minus 7x. Now we have to first arrange this term. 6x square, 7x comes before 3x, and we have to arrange this term in the decreasing order. First we have x square, then we have x, then we have a constant term. Now I have to split the middle term. So I can write 7x equals to 1 plus 6 also, 2 plus 5 also, or 2 plus 9 also. We have to split it into two parts. So I have decided to split the middle term, minus 7x equals to 2x minus 9x. So we get result 7x. First how we get this term? First how we get this term 7 and 2 and 9. First we have to multiply 6 into 3, we get result equals to 18, and in middle term I have minus 7, so I have to select a number in a such a way that I get result equals to 18, and the result by multiplying we get result equals to 18, and by addition or subtraction we have result equals to minus 7. So I decided to take a 2 and 9. 2 into 9 equals to 18, and 2 minus 9 we get result equals to minus 7. In this way I have selected these two numbers. Now let's start further. Now I have to take a common. In first two terms I have to take a common, 6x square plus 2x. So I can take a common 2x common, and in bracket 3x plus 1. And in same way I have to take a common from last two terms, so I can take a common 3 minus 3. So in bracket same terms remains 3x plus 1. So I have to take a common from both the terms. So common term is 3x plus 1, and another term is 2x minus 3. So now we have to equate both the terms to 0. So 2x minus 3 equals to 0, and 3x plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x equals to, that minus 3 will